How to create bug report in MIUI or Xiaomi device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create the bug report in your MIUI or Xiaomi device. So creating a bug report on your MIUI or Xiaomi device is an essential way to report issues to the developers. So here's the process how you can do that. First of all, you have to go to the setting of your device here. So once you are on the setting, you have to tap on the about phone here. So you have to tap on the MIU version multiple times, usually 7 times, until you see a message indicating that you are a developer option and developer option is enabled. So here you can see that no need, you are already a developer, but if you aren't, you have to usually tap 7 times. And you have to go back to your setting and tap on the additional setting here. And once you are on your additional setting, you have to select the developer option from here. Once you have selected the developer option, you have to look for the option label as take a bug report here. Just scroll down and search for the option of take a bug report here. So if you find that, you have to just go for that. And once you have reported, the report is generated, you will have the option to share it through your email or other messaging platform. So in my device, there is no option of reporting or taking the bug report here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily create a bug report in your MI or Xiaomi device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.